place when I'm with you, but I love it.
Hi my friend. So it is, what is it, Monday? Today I edited a video. It was really wonderful. I was so tired. It took me so long and I'm just so exhausted. Not complaining, just tired. Anyway, right now we're actually at Home Depot and you're probably wondering why. And I'll tell you why. We're actually getting firewood. We're going to the beach. There's like a beach where you can learn like a bunch of fire pits and we're gonna make s'mores. So I have all my s'more stuff in here. And right now, like nowhere near us had wood. So now we're here and we need to buy so like they're gonna have things for s'mores, so if they don't, I swear. And then
I like your impression of me.
And
spot.
Thank you. And then we also need to get like matches or whatever. That's what we're doing right now.
He was like, we don't have that. I was like,
I literally was thinking like I knew it.
I was like, no, she can't be right.
I'm always right.
I think I'm gonna be right this time.
I mean, I'm sure they may have medals, but not the. Oh my, it's really cold here. I brought a jacket. It's around my waist though. I'm trendy like that. We don't have anything for marshmallow. Do you see this? Marshmallow. Marshmallow. Wait, we need to find. Oh my gosh. We need to find a match. What? Why are you saying Polina like most of the time? We need that too. It's charcoal lighter. What? Safe light fire starter squares. But they're fire starting squares.
Joe. This is what you need. It's charcoal. It works with wood too.
Really?
This smarter stuff when it comes to going blah blah.
If we get there and this doesn't work and we drove.
Oh, it's just fine. It won't work.
Really? What are these squares? Instant start lights when wet. Why do they need to be wet?
I don't know.
When wet? Oh, so you have to wet those anyways.
Oh, it's light when it's wet. It can light when it gets wet, even if it gets wet. You don't have to wet it before.
Oh. What? What?
Should we get those?
I don't. Wait, so do you just throw those in and put a match on them?
Pretty much. Or you could just use these.
I think if they have good reviews on Amazon. Hold on, guys. We're getting there. What's it called? Say.
Off of the day, guys. Excuse me? Did this work on wood?
To start a barbecue? Oh yeah. Yeah. It's like gasoline, man.
Yeah.
That'll work. This way. You know, how we just look.
Something like a copyrighted.
No, it's not. I feel so lame. Like, what are we doing right now? Okay, let's go this way. Oh, those plants are. Oh, I love little cactus. Look at these.
So good.
Look how cute these baby cactuses are. Oh my
You can't
god.
take that to the plant.
I know.
One of the rules is no cacti.
Oh yeah, sorry, cacti. Okay, literally. Oh, is this it? Sorry, that's like rocks. He said it's outside.
I thought you could.
Maybe that way. You know. Just chilling. Just getting some wood for our thing. We can't get too much because we have to carry this in our Uber. And we didn't drive because there's it's a Taylor Swift concert, so it's terrible traffic and I'm not sitting in traffic at the wheel because I get so irritated. Sorry. It doesn't smell bad, it just smells like bamboo? Let's get some bamboo. Should we get some bamboo?
The bamboo fence.
Currently at Dockweiler Beach. Look at the sunset. We're about to make some s'mores. Hopefully we don't have that much firewood because they ran out at Home Depot, so we had to buy these little thingies of chunks. And look at my shoes. Yeah. Alright, yeah, I'm ready. Oh, it died. I think you have to do it. Try it again.
Can't tell by the fire.
Was it working? It went out?
Yeah, it's windy.
Oh, does wind make it go? Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. Look at that. We got a fire going.
Look at that.
Ah! The flames. They're like freaking at me out. The wind's blowing this way, I think. I'm roasting my marshmallow. I know, they need to chill.
Why don't you just chill outside?
Come on. My marshmallow's on fire. I love when that happens. Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna try and make one now.
Dude, this is fun. This is fun.
This is so...
Yeah.
Oh, you got the baby blast? What the hell's wrong with it?
I don't know. I thought it'd fit better. What's up, y'all? It's your boy.
We're at the beach. It's so pretty.
We are. So pretty. Hold on, look at like
The
mountains and like sunset stuff and then fire. Look at that. Look at that beautiful flame.
That flame.
And look at this beautiful girl. Well,
It's so warm.
no, you did that. I'm just kidding.
What?
Nothing. Oh, that's cute.
Guys, it's so cold. I'm just kidding. I'm not that cold.
The fire's freezing. It's like instead of like being hot, it's like cold.
Oh.
This person.
I have like no cell service here.
She has no soul
Not that I need it, but like for...
Yeah, you can text another boys upon.
Yeah, I'm texting so many boys.
Tell her to stop texting boys, guys. Somebody's be like, oh my god, she has to stop. She's not.
My hands, I put water in them because I have some more stuff on them, so I'm drying them currently.
Well, you're gonna have to wash them again.
I swear if you touch me with that, I'm gonna be so mad.
How mad?
So we gotta drive off like on the highway, okay? We did like
Oh, we had to
walk.
climb down this mountain
Literally.
thing. It's not even a mountain, but we were like sliding down it and people were just like staring at us. Yeah, it's a nice view. Whoa. Airplane. You see what I'm doing? I'm just like...
Such a pretty picture, like flying down the sun.
Maybe we could screenshot this. Whoa. Look at that bird. Yeah. Guys, you really gotta get out of nature. Really appreciate stuff in life. Motto or influential quote of the day.
What?
Get out and enjoy nature, you'll appreciate life more. Yay. Yay.
Hi guys, so we're at Earth downtown, and I literally completely forgot to vlog, but like this is all that's left of our pizza. We got a margarita pizza, and oh my god, I got a Spanish coffee. I'll show you. Look, it's I mean the design's almost gone, but do you see that? It was a heart. And the coffee was probably one of the best coffees I've ever had. It's a Spanish coffee, Spanish latte. When you're at Earth Cafe, if you live here, or if you ever come visit, try the Spanish latte. Or the green tea boba, but Spanish latte. So good. It's super late, and like it's like the middle of nowhere. We always go to Earth in Beverly Hills, but today we're like, let's be exploring people. This is just water. We're just chilling. It's Cedar Rapids. We were at the beach earlier, and then it like got really late, and we didn't realize. and we're like, oh, then in the dark we climbed this like mountain. I don't want to say mountain, but hill.
It was like very steep.
Very steep hill.
It was like rock climbing. It was like running.
And we literally had to like climb up it. Oh my gosh, it's out of focus. Please, babe. I love you. Come on, focus. Let's focus. I have to look like an idiot doing this.
Don't laugh.
Yeah.
No. I think someone actually went, duh.
What's it called? Yeah, in the dark with a flashlight on my phone. We were like climbing this steep hill, and our Uber driver after we got in was like laughing at us, and I was like, yep. Yeah, Shane's wearing his other Adidas shirt. You guys want to see? I'll show you in 1 second.
So supposedly, for no reason.
Next time I'm gonna get a large, because this is a medium. Does this look like a small to you? Like that's like not a large portion. Here's Bay. He's weird. There's like classical music playing. It's really interesting. Yeah, literally though.
Good thirsty still. Should I go refill?
Yeah, remember the thing for picture perfect? I used to know how to do it. Like that whole cup thing, I used to literally know how to do it.
Remember that vine where the guy spills it after?
Yeah. I think it's like, hold on. Is that on the left side? I knew how to do it before, literally. I did. I'm not even lying to you right now.